Yes, today we are going to discuss about electric field intensity. Electric field intensity in the capacitor. Here, capacitor means what? Actually, it is arrangement of two metal plates. One metal plate, it is positively charged with charge density sigma. This is another metal plate, it is negatively charged with charge density again sigma. So such plates which are oppositely charged with densities, positive charged plate with density sigma, negatively charged plate with density sigma, if both are placed very close to each other, then this arrangement is called capacitor. So regarding capacitor, we will study in detail in second chapter, but at present we have to find out inside how much is the electric field intensity. So inside electric field intensity, if you check, we already know if any charged surface is there, मान ले positive charge है with density sigma. So charged surface के पास में electric field बनेगा, वो electric field की intensity कितना sigma by 2 epsilon 0 बोल के हम लोग proof करे थे already, derive करे थे. That formula I am going to use. So at this point, this positive charge plate also will establish field, and negative charge plate also will establish field. So because of positive plate, the field is say E1. I am writing here E1. How much E1 should be? Sigma by 2 epsilon 0. And because of negative plate also, field should be field is E2. It is also towards negative plate. Because it is E2, that will sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So both fields are in the same direction. So net field, if we check, it is how much? Since both fields are in the same direction, net field is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0, that equal to 2 sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Then 2 will get cancelled, sigma by epsilon 0. This is the therefore, inside the capacitor plates, net electric field is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So, 2 is not there, sigma by epsilon naught. So, capacitor plates के बीच में electric field कितना रहता है? मतलब sigma by epsilon naught. That means ये R पर distance पर depend होने हैं. So, uniform electric field मतलब ये positive charge plate है, ऐसा ये negative charge plate है. So दोनों के बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना? सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन 0, और उसका डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव बोल के कैसे पता लगा? यहाँ डेरिव करते समय हम लोग करेंगे पॉजिटिव प्लेट से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अवे फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव प्लेट बनता लाइक दिस, अवे फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव प्लेट. नेगेटिव प्लेट से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड टुवर्ड्स नेगेटिव प्लेट बनता, इन दैट वे बोथ आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन. रिमेंबर, पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी से फील्ड अवे फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी, नेगेटिव चार्ज बॉडी से फील्ड इज टुवर्ड्स नेगेटिव चार्ज बॉडी. Since that both are also become in same direction, that's why net field के लिए दोनों को ऐड करना पड़ा. So we got net field whose direction is positive to negative, and this is called uniform electric field because it is not depending on distance. It is simply sigma by epsilon 0 where R is not there, distance is not there. Means that at every point between the two plates, दोनों plates के बीच में कहीं भी electric field same sigma by epsilon 0 only. So it is not time point to point, it is not varying. So it is called uniform field. That's why it should be shown with horizontal, it should be shown with parallel straight lines with equal separations. Now if you come to the region 1 where positive plate will establish electric field, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught whose direction is away from positive plate, and negative plate will establish field towards negative plate always whose value is again sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So two fields are in opposite direction, they will get cancelled. So net field is becoming 0 in region 1. Means what? Be outside of the capacitor. Here also outside of the capacitor is also called region 3 you can call, where again net electric field will become 0. Why? Because positive plate will establish field away from positive plate, which is a sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Negative plate will establish electric field towards negative plate, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So both fields are in opposite direction at this point and equal in magnitude, so they will get cancelled. Net field will become 0. So beyond capacitor के इधर भी 0, capacitor के उधर भी 0, इन अंदर ही electric field sigma by epsilon 0 आएगा. So and that too, that is uniform electric field. So this is what I want to teach. Okay.